Whoa, out. Hey y'all, what's up? I'm gonna show you how to change out your rear suspension on the Ford F-150. And at the end of the video, watch the whole thing because I'm gonna show you how to get rid of your old suspension without even leaving your house. You're gonna wanna see this. That right there, wake you straight on up, son. All right, so I got a 2012 F-150. And the suspension is just amazing. Check it out. Look at that crap. What the heck is that? So, yeah, rough country is right. Because every road you freaking go down feels like rough country. So, I mean, what the heck is that? I'm riding on leaf springs. That's all that's holding it up now. I ordered me some Fox shocks. And I'm going to slap them on and show you what they look like. And by the way, shocks are extremely easy to change out. All you got is this one bolt here. It goes through. Nut on the other side. That's the top. Look down at the bottom. Same thing. You got one bolt going through. Bolt, nut, holds it in. That's all there is to it. I do it yourself. So I ordered my Fox shocks, and here they are. Let's see what's inside. Oh yeah. And there you have it. These are 2.0 Performance Series. The box says Fox Racing Shocks. I didn't realize it was going to make my truck fast. So it comes with these bushings here. So the silver piece goes in the black piece, and the black piece goes in here. Throw a little lube on it, pop it into place, and you're ready to rock. Okay guys, what you want to do, when you cut this band off that holds the shock, it's gonna expand up. So when you cut it off, just hold it here in line, and when it gets lined up here, you throw the bolt in it real quick so you don't have to pull it back down. All right, ready? Here we go. It lines up, throw your bolt in, and there you go. All right guys, got the new Fox shocks on. See, simple, just one bolt up top, one bolt down below. All right, this is my 6-year-old with my old wore out rough country shocks. Let's see if he can push them down. Oh yeah, that didn't look like that was any problem at all. They are clearly worn out. All right, so I'm gonna show you an easy way to get rid of your old shocks. You don't even have to leave your house. Check it out. First, gotta put your gloves on. Safety first, people. You wanna get your shock. You wanna pull it out, extend it. You know, where you got a little length on it. What we're gonna do, you need to hold it kind of like the old golf club, you know, driving range style. Here we go. You know what I'm saying? What you want to do, you want to point, you want to aim directly at the neighbor, at your neighbor's house. That the one that you don't like, obviously. If this is your buddy, obviously don't do that, unless you want to lose a friend. Anyhow, aim at the neighbor that you don't like, and you just, you know, you can get up in your garage, you know, with the door open, or carport like I'm doing, whatever. You can even do it off your front porch if you want. But anyway, I want to hold it like so. I'm no golf pro or whatever, but I can swing a mean bat pretty good. So if you can swing a bat, you can do this, okay? So, you know, you guys might be able to give me some tips on my form here. Just leave it in the comments. So you want to, you know, you might want to do a couple of practice swings, and you just draw back. That was a close one.
All right, that was number one. Here goes number two. I'm gonna give this an old crow hop. Yeah, I'm gonna crow hop this way. Oh, gosh. I don't think he needed that window. Oh, here he comes. Hey! Hey! Yeah, stop. Yeah, I dropped that. Sorry. Yeah, it slipped. Sorry, these gloves are slick. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna pay for it. What? Hey, you better stay on your side of the, you better stay in your yard, pal. Don't you be coming over here, okay? There's a line there for a reason, okay? Yeah, that's what I thought. What? You talking smack? What'd you say? What'd you say? Your mama's fat? What? Oh God, here it comes. Oh God, here. Like the video, I gotta go.
Okay, so that is not the best way to get rid of them. Please don't do that. I love the shocks. They ride great, so much better. Obviously, they were completely worn out. But anyway, hope you liked the video. Give me the old thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.